Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel and this is my first ever vlog. Today we will gonna talk about the form of government and its branches of Philippines and Thailand. Republic of the Philippines. Philippines is a republic with a presidential form of government. The powers are divided into three branches, which is the executive, legislative, and judicial. The government seeks to act in the best interests of the citizens through the system of check and balance. The executive branch, which carries out and enforces law. In the executive branch, there are president and vice president. They are elected through direct popular voting and serve a term of 6 years. There are also cabinet members, which is appointed by the president. Legislative branch, which is authorized to make laws, alter, and repeal them through the power vested in the Philippine Congress. This branch also includes the Congress, which is the Senate or the upper house chamber, and the House of Representatives, which is the lower house chamber. The Senate is composed of 24 senators including the Senate President, while the House of Representatives is composed for about 250 members including the Speaker. The judicial branch, which holds the power to settle controversies involving the rights that are legally demandable and enforceable. This is made up of Supreme Court and lower courts. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the Philippines with the Chief Justice as the head. There is also Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, and Court of Tax Appeals. Let's now move on to the Kingdom of Thailand. Thailand is a constitutional monarchy with the monarch as the head of the state and the prime minister as the head of the government. Why it is called monarch? It is because monarch is a non-sexist term which indicates that the successor can be a prince or princess. It is said that the king has only little direct power compared to the prime minister, but the king earns the popular respect of his citizens and moral authority. This kind of power benefits to solve the political crisis and national stability. The monarch is hereditary, while the prime minister is elected by the House of Representatives and submitting the recommendations to the king for appointment. The prime minister is the one who selects the cabinets of Thailand, or also called as the Council of Ministers. And that is the executive branch of Thailand. Let's now move on to the legislative branch. The National Assembly of Thailand is a bicameral legislature type that is composed of two houses. The Senate, or the upper house of parliament, that consists of 200 members, and the House of Representatives, or the lower house of parliament, that consists of 400 members. Let's now go to the judicial branch. The courts are the independent bodies that serves as the check and balance to executive and legislative branch. The courts in Thailand consist of trial courts, appeal courts, the Supreme Court, and the constitutional courts. I hope you learned something about the form of government and its branches of the Republic of the Philippines and the Kingdom of Thailand. Thank you for watching!